Look at these things. Holy shit. The Crust Buster. Speed King. Oh. Look at this tire. It's huge. Oh man. Jack is gonna love all of these things. Look at this harvester thing. It's massive. That one's even old and used, but it's so huge. Sorry, Jack, I can't get you one of these. These are too big. Your dad would not like it. Would not like it at all. I want to see the one over here on tracks, though. They've got one on tracks that's like... What's on tracks? We got so many stairs from all the dudes in there. Look at this freaking thing. Oh, it looks so comfortable. You've got radio, you've got AC. You can face both directions. Oh yeah, that's awesome. LEDs all around. This is what I came over to see though. Look at the tracks. This is so awesome. We got rollers. Oh, it's got a little pivot joint here. Look how massive that shaft is. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And look at that, like, I'm 6 foot tall. I'm holding this at like 4 feet. It's like an 18-foot thing in the air. That muffler is huge. Huh, I guess it's all the noise and environmental stuff now. That's why it's so big. Man, this engine is like T9 530. It doesn't tell me how big this thing is as far as motor goes. Oh my God. I've never wanted to be a farmer so badly. Wow. I just want to drive it right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then finally this thing over here. Look at this. This is the New Holland Guardian, the SP370F. So you've got the front cab there. Let's say you get this like articulating arm that goes out and can grab certain stuff. Look at these freaking tractors, man. These are the largest tractors I've ever seen in my entire life. They're so big. Wow. I guess it sprays like a chemical. And I'm not even gonna look at those. Those are normal size tractors. I mean, you can like stand under it. Look at that skid plate. AGS guys, look at the skid plate. And you got these awesome like guards here for the inner wheel hubs as well. Look at the ladder, that's how you get into it. Holy shit. The guys in there have got to be like, what's this boy doing? Checking out your friggin' tractor. Don't put your hand in there. Don't do it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So cool. So excited. Get coffee. Real coffee from a coffee shop. Oh my God. So excited.
Okay, this is the official shot. Look at that. There's not even a fucking house. I can't even find a domicile. What the hell? This is no flat tire land, man. This is no country for old blokes.
So we're leaving JR's Country Store. Pretty cool place. Look at the town watering hole. That's our first mountain.
Oh my God. Text Harry. You see that fucking Goliath to the left?
My little thing here.
Holy shit.
Hey Harry, you see that huge ass mountain on your left behind the clouds?
And the dichotomy of this over here.
You see that big ass mountain behind the clouds? I can't understand that, but sure. I've done my job. There comes the rain.
There we go. Pack that dust. Bring down the haze.
We should buy some weed.
Some marijuana.
Gotta buy some weed, guys.
You got your wallet? Your phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Wait, tell me again. Let's see. Great.
This is the Great Sand Dunes National Park. I think it's a national park. It's just kind of crazy to see this in person, to be honest. It's like looking out on a desert, but it's like among all these plains and mountains. It's just such a cool sight to see. And Heather was pretty jealous because it's on her bucket list, but I told her, hey, we're in our 30s. We'll go back. We're not gonna not go here before we die. But yeah, I just enamored with it. And you can see really tiny people on those sand dunes there. I don't know if you're allowed to fly a drone in this park, but I was. Sorry, Department of Interior and NPS. I'll send you a check.
Till 5 p.m. Oh, take a fucking picture of that, buddy.
All right, we are at the UFO Watch Tower. And I guess Neil told me that people put things in here that mean something to them. Did you pay for us, Neil?
I made it.
He's so excited.
I'm gonna read some of these plaques.
Like kid in a candy shop.
This is my girlfriend. She's on the way to Peru.
Ah, ¿cómo está, señorita?
Elevation 11,312 feet. Peak. Eleven 312. Holy crap.
And now we go down.
There are gonna be breaks. You made it. We're here.
Riding tomorrow.
This is the whole area. This is our home. We're gonna be staying like over there in one of those cabins. I'm so stoked. I'm so glad to get out of that truck. I got a beta over here. Hey, I don't see any GSs. I see betas and huskies and KTMs.
So, tell you what, I was gonna get my
Ooh. And a wide angle lens. Well, here we are. There you go.
Yeah.
All right, this is Tomichi Trading Post, Tomichi Creek. You can see the creek on the left-hand side there. This is our spot for 3 days. They do allow you to park your trailer there for $50 a week if you're just doing like a base and then you're going out in the woods. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely like people live here, at least, most of the year. There's a post office. There's the general store, trading post, restaurant / bar / auto repair shop / gas station. And yeah, you've got some permanent homes back here. The front area of the cabins and camping area is just for tourists like us. But really, really beautiful. I mean, this little valley. One thing about this area is it was kind of amazing to me how some places become towns and some places just remain like this forever. And people are born and raised here, and this is their home. So, but look at it here, in front of us. That's on the Tomichi Creek, sort of like, Walmart. You've got everything you need up there, including the 3 cabins, and we were sleeping in one of those. Sorry it's so dreary and bleak, but, well, it was going to rain soon, so that's what you got. This is a burger.
Toggle back and forth.
It's 10 p.m. in Denver or Colorado. And this is basically how modern motorcycle riders spend their evenings.
See if I can get back to you. There's my music. Are you there?
No, that would light up.
It's my music. Can you hear me now?
Nope.
Okay, I just entered group intercom. But we're not paired.
Yeah, it wouldn't be.
All right, let me power off and try this again.
Should you and I be pairing?
If we were like of sound mind, you guys would jump together and then I would jump in. That's the process. How I see.
Okay.
Hello. Heard a beep.